Are you ready for another recipe? Today we are going to make Larb Neua. Larb Neua in sort of like Western style. So this, you will really like it. So the meat today we're gonna make Neua is the beef. So you can use this recipe for pork, chicken or seafood. I recommend mince better for this recipe. So let's have a look at the ingredient. The ingredient we have over here is, I got Angus Australia meat. This is quite fatty, so if you go for a healthy style you can use less meat. And I have water. Water here is for stir fry the beef. Fish sauce, this one for seasoning the flavor, lime, sugar and salt. Normally I will use more salt instead of fish sauce, but let's try this ingredient together. When I cooked it, I put more salt than the fish sauce for the more healthy option. And I have rice here. I'm gonna teach you how to make roasted rice. And chili flakes, this one is optional too. I'm not gonna add it, it's just like for you to see what you can add. And you need shallot, this one is shallot, cucumbers for like having with it again, and then mint, onion, spring onion, and this one, what do you call this one? This one we call ผักชีใบเลื่อย or cilantro that I call them. And that's it for the ingredient. Let's get started on roasting the rice first, because you need the rice to be cooled down. Okay, the wok is on. I'm gonna turn the heat on, and I'm gonna need to spatula for stir fry them evenly so they get a nice and brown. Use low to medium heat, and then add the rice in. I use about 4 tablespoons. You can make it like a lot and then save it in a container like I do. I still have some here, but I will show you how you can cook it your own. It's very easy. And then you're gonna use 1 or 2 spatula to stir fry, stir them continually, like don't stop, non-stop, until they got nice and golden brown. Almost. I already can make it off now. See if you continue to cook. Okay, put it in another plate to stop the cooking process, but they're still gonna continue to cook. So you gotta cool them down. I'm gonna spray like this and cool them down, and then make sure you stir them in a few minutes. Every few minutes you stir them to stop them from cooking. Alright, we're gonna put this plate out, and then we're gonna prep our vegetables. Alright, next step is prepare our vegetables. So cilantro, there you go, chopped it very thin. This one smells so nice. And you got it. We got our cilantro. Now the spring onion. I don't like this part of spring onion, so I'm going to cut it off. I know such ways, but you can save this one for the soup. And then this is spring onion in Thailand. They're very small, isn't it? When I see the spring onion in Melbourne, I was like, whoa, what is this? Okay. And then mint, just gonna get the leaf off, just the leaf. This one you can add as much as you like, as much as you prefer. You like minty? Add a lot of mint. Oh, did I cook rice? I'm gonna go check if I cook rice for this. Look at this. This is Thai mint. They're very small. Okay, I think that's enough for our mint. Set aside. Cucumber. I'm gonna peel the cucumber first because I like my cucumber peel. The cucumber, you peeled it, you cut them and put it in the fridge, and it's so refreshing. The best way to cut the cucumber that you have with larb is this way. Show you. This way only. To have with the larb. Yum. Then we put it in our refrigerator. Rest. Now the last step. This is my least flavored step. Sliding onion. I do not like sliding, especially onion. Okie dokie. That's a lot of onion. Guys, you need to clean this knife, your hand, right away. And here's our vegetables, our herbs. We got our herb, we got our roasted rice. The next step is we are going to pound the roasted rice into, what do you call it? Powder. Add into the cook, and then instead of pounding it, you want to do this. If you do this, see, splash out, wasting the rice. You do this first. Oh, it smells so good. This is so nice. Two hands. Okay, so you get that texture. You like that texture? Now that's all done. Let's cook out beef. Now next step is turn the heat on the wok, and we're gonna cook the beef. Now we're gonna cook the beef with water, so you don't have to wait for the wok to heat up. Just add the beef in. Well, just chunk a beef like that, and then smash it down. Smash it down like that. Chop it, and then add water. We call this step ลวนเนื้อ Now that everything is hot, I'm gonna add this sauce. 1, 2, 3. Salt, and then salt to balance the taste. Gonna remove that juice out. How big it is? Okay. Now turn the heat off. Add your vegetable. Your herb. Wow. Add lime. 1, 2, 3. Give it a taste first. I'm gonna add rice in. Perfecto. อย่างนี้เลย It's sour. So add a little bit of lime at a time and adjust the taste to your like. I really like sour. Alright, we put it in a plate. There you have it, your lab neua. My recipe is quite sour, so if you don't like sour, take it easy on the lime. Let's the taste begin. Yummy. Yeah. Cucumber. And that's it everyone for today's recipe, Larb Neua. I hope you guys enjoy this one, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in another video. Bye bye.